Hi there, welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to remove the rear tail lights on a sedan or saloon car. To remove them is very easy. All we need is a ratchet with a socket of 8mm. Let's go to work. In my case, to hold the trunk, I'm using a bar because obviously there's something else to repair here, okay? And at the same time, I would like to remind you that if you want to help this channel and support it, you can do so. Just look at the description of the video. There's a link where you can give whatever you want, okay? It's entirely at your discretion, and I will be very grateful for that because that will help me buying new parts and continue with the videos, okay? So anyway, now let's have a look at the back here. We're gonna start by removing the bulb cover holder. For this we unscrew those two round bits, and you can disconnect it if you want to, but it's optional. In my case I will just leave it like so, okay, but if not you can disconnect it here, okay. You just unplug it, okay. I'll leave it like that. Now if you look all around the tail light, we've got 6 screws, number 8. So now we're gonna use our ratchet and we're gonna unscrew it. Now that we have removed the screws, we're just gonna push it inside the trunk and it should come off. That's it. Here we have. That's it, we have now a complete unit. As usual, I will place the part number on the video, so in case you need to buy a new one, you will have the left and the right one. Bear in mind that will be for the complete unit, because before you could buy only the lens and you didn't have to buy the complete unit. This actually can be open, okay? But now with the years I doubt that you can buy only the lens. But in case, just ask the dealership if you need one, okay? It's possible that they still sell it, I don't know, okay? I will place as well the part number for this. That's the rubber that goes on around the tail light. Very often they get damaged, especially if a car was outside and not in a garage. So I will place the link as the part number as well for these, in case you need to buy new ones. In order to mount it back, very easy. It's exactly the same thing that you've done, but in reverse, okay? You couldn't be wrong on this. So I hope that you have liked the video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because I will continue adding more and more videos. And until the next video comes out, take care of yourself. Ciao.